Relationship between two people, anything at all.
Mother daughter here.
Mother daughter is the first thing that I say. Let's pop makeup, ladies and gentlemen. This game of audience sound effects. Are you ready? Yeah. Come on, please. Zip up my wedding dress.
All right, fine, Diane.
That was pretty quick.
We're going to say your husband's been lifting weights every day.
Now, Mom, I know you don't approve of Jeremy, but look at this diamond ring. Oh! Yeah, that was expensive.
Jeremy is here. Hi, Jeremy. Hi, Jeremy. Welcome to the dinner. I'm glad to see you. We were just getting Diane the dress off and trying it on.
Mom, you gotta be nice to him. He's learning a new skill in the circus. He can juggle chainsaws now.
I have them on me. What?
Yeah! You gotta be louder, but they're very quiet. I saved the ring. It's okay.
Oh, Diane, it doesn't matter about the ring. You're hurt. I'm going to have to wrap you with something. Oh, wrap you with water. Oh, no, the blood's gushing everywhere. Well, that's fine. Here, I'll use the dog. He'll stop it up. I happen to have some leeches on me that will help. Oh, there we go. It looks like between the leeches and the dog. I'm no blood flow.
You don't have to have a phone and call 911? I don't know. It might work.
Great.
Wrong number. And despite you having only one arm, I still love you. In fact, I would like to play you a song I have on my cell phone that reminds me of you. Make it quick,
Red wine. I love